Welcome to VS Code for Everyone, Episode 4. Find anything in seconds. Replace every match in one keystroke. Search your whole project at once, and jump from any function call straight to its source. Real projects are too big to read. You find things instead. Today you learn every searching weapon VS Code has. Quick open first, grab main.py. Our little stats script from Episode 1. Somewhere in here, the word world appears more than once. And pretend this file were 3,000 lines long. Scrolling is not a strategy. Press Ctrl+F, the find shortcut in almost every program ever made. The find widget dropped down from the top right corner, cursor already waiting in its box. Type world. Every match lit up instantly, and the widget counts them for you. See the two small icons beside the search box. The first makes the search case sensitive, capital W only. The second matches whole words, so world stops matching worldwide. Toggle them when your search catches too much. Now the upgrade. Press Ctrl+H, find and replace. A second row appeared under the search, the replace box, and your cursor moved into it. Same search, new powers. Type the replacement, everyone. Nothing changed yet. Replace never acts without your say-so. You could walk match by match with the replace button. We're taking the shortcut. Replace every match at once. Hold Ctrl and Alt, then press Enter. Both worlds became everyone in a single stroke. One warning from experience. With a short search word, always glance at the match count before replace all. 300 replacements are as easy as 2. And Ctrl+Z undoes them all if you misfire. Escape tucks the find widget away. You know that move by now. Ctrl+F sees one file. Your project has many. Press Ctrl+Shift+F for global search. The sidebar switched to the search view. Episode 2 knowledge paying off. This box searches every file in your workspace at once. Type format_greeting, the function our script imports. Results appear as you type, grouped by file, the definition inside utils, and every place that uses it. Click any line to jump straight there. This is how you answer, where is this used in 3 seconds? Big projects need aim. Press Ctrl+Shift+J to unfold the search's hidden controls. 2 new boxes, files to include and files to exclude. Type *.py in the first, and you search only Python files. Type node_modules in the second, and that folder disappears from results. The single biggest time saver in JavaScript projects. One habit ties this together. Search is a view, exactly like the Explorer. It lives in the sidebar. Its icon sits in the activity bar, and Ctrl+Shift+E brings your files back when you're done. Views change, the geography never does. Now the navigation trick that separates readers from engineers. Our code is still open behind the search. Press Ctrl+1 to put your cursor back in the editor. Line 6 calls calculate_stats. It's imported from another file. Beginners would open the Explorer and hunt. Watch the pro version. First, park the cursor on that function name, and here's a pro trick to do it without the mouse. Ctrl+F. Type calculate_stats. Press Escape and look where the cursor landed. Right on the match. Find plus Escape is a teleporter. Search, close, and you're standing exactly where you searched. Pros move through files this way constantly. Cursor on the function name. Press F12. Go to definition. You teleported across files. This is mathhelpers.py, and your cursor sits on the definition of calculate_stats itself. One key from any call to its source. F12 might be the single most used key in professional code reading. F12 answers, where does this come from? The reverse question, who uses this, has its own key. Shift F12. A references panel opened right inside the editor, listing every place in the project that touches this function, the definition here, and the callback in main. Before you rename or delete anything, this list is your safety check. Escape closes the panel, as it closes everything. Clean editor again. Let's put the whole toolkit on one shelf. 4 questions, 4 answers. Where is text in this file? Ctrl+F. Everywhere in the project. Ctrl+Shift+F. Where is this function defined? F12. Who calls it? Shift F12. Learn these 4 and no codebase, including one you opened 5 minutes ago, will ever feel too big. Your searching arsenal assembled. Ctrl+F finds inside the file, with case-sensitive and whole word toggles when it catches too much. Ctrl+H adds replace, and Ctrl+Alt+Enter replaces every match at once, after you glance at the match count. Ctrl+Shift+F searches the whole project, with include and exclude patterns for aim. And the navigation pair. F12 jumps to where a function is defined, Shift F12 lists everyone who uses it. Your practice mission. Search the whole project for the word snack, then use F12 from the format farewell call in main.py and read its source. Pause and try it now. Quick check, question 1. You want to rename a function but fear breaking callers. Which key shows every usage first? Shift F12, find all references. Question 2. What's the difference between Ctrl+F and Ctrl+Shift+F? Ctrl+F searches the open file. Ctrl+Shift+F searches every file in the workspace. Next episode, Extensions, the marketplace that turns VS Code into any tool you need. See you there.